Hello, ladies and gents. Today I have this beautiful English U that I'm going to turn a ball and I will have the rim decorated with a garnet gems, chips of it, and then I will pour resin in that groove. I think it will look nice. I want to try this one with the aluminite resin. Okay guys, I'm gonna now pour in the side A. I'm not gonna put too much, just about 50 gram, maybe 25, side 25.5.7. .8. I guess that won't make that much difference. So I'm going to add a yellow in there. First, I'm going to split it into another smaller cup and have a Prill X gold in there. Just a tiny bit. I've already put some Prill X in the cup, so don't take time. And I'll put it in a pressure pot, I think, although it might not need pressure pot, but I don't want any bubbles in there. Okay, and I want this to be translucent, so just gonna put 2 drops. That should be plenty. Okay. So there we have it, guys. It didn't turn out the way I was hoping it would, because there's tiny bit of bubbles in there, which I think the wood itself wasn't that dry. I guess not as dry as this resin needs it to be. It was dry enough for turning, for sure. I guess you live and learn. It would take way too long to dry this in the oven, maybe even days. So yeah, but it kinda still looks alright. I hope you guys liked it. Maybe this gives you an idea to do the same, maybe with a drier wood. yeah, I'll try one in the future. I've got still got half the bag. I can try again. But yeah, thank you all for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe. When we get to 3K subscribers, I'm gonna do another giveaway. We just did one at 2000, so soon another one's coming. Thank you for watching. Take care, guys. Talk to you on the next video. Bye.